Today I'm going to be doing a little review for a jersey I bought from DHgate. Now, first off, this is for educational purposes only, of course, as always, alright? I do not condone any things that may or may not be legal. However, this is legal because, for all we know, this is a real jersey. It just happens to be bought from the website DHgate. With that said, let's get into it. This is where it comes in, right? Little black bag. I've ordered a lot of jerseys from DHgate before, and I actually have a lot on my order list right now. So I don't know what jersey this is, so I'm excited to see it. So let's see it. Gonna rip through it, you know. Awesome. Now, this is a Steph Beer jersey. See that? Clemson. Comes in a nice little pouch. Alright. Take a look. Boom. Alright, so this is how it looks. Nice. Good Clemson. Let's see, it's nice and stitched. Very good. You know, a good stitching. Comes. Seth Beer, of course. Why would anyone wear this? Probably for parties. It's just kind of how it goes. You know, overall, it's good quality. See the stitching. Inside, you know, this is how most jerseys I've learned in DHgate are. They're a little threaded on the inside, you know. So it looks a little off, but really you care about the outside. You know, this one took a little longer, maybe 3.5, 4 weeks. I'd say on average they take between 2 and 3 weeks to get here. You know, it comes with everything. You know, throwback jersey. You know, this one cost me about $20, so it's maybe not the best. I mean, not the best quality, but I mean, for being not the best quality jersey, I mean, come on, this is good stuff. I mean, I don't know what else you could ask for $20 in my opinion. You know, a lot of the jerseys I get come with tags. This one didn't, but I don't necessarily see a logo on here for which it would need a tag. I don't see like a Nike or Adidas logo, so I'm sure that's just how the jersey comes. You can see that it has the stitched ACC logo. Show that to you. You know what? It's not the best, but it is stitched. It looks nice. You know, other than that, it's just a high quality jersey for the price. Most definitely. Real or fake? Who honestly knows? I assume they're real. I would never buy a fake jersey, of course, because that is illegal. But you know what? I take what I can get. And here, I'll try this on for you. I'm not gonna take off my shirt because that's kind of weird. Oh, this isn't even for me, it's for a friend. It's a little short on me. Although for my friend, quite nicely, you know, nice and tight in the sleeve. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good fit on my buddy. So yeah, so this is a jersey review. Seth Beer jersey, Clemson, DHgate. You can message me for the link, and always like and subscribe. It's probably somewhere. Maybe I'm gonna link. I don't really know how to do that, but like and subscribe to the channel. Seth Beer jersey.